Shravani. Welcome to this Hall of
Hi.
Fame interview. I'm so happy and so proud of you that we are doing this interview. Tell us something about yourself, like what you used to do before you got into baking professionally.
Hello, ma'am. First of all, I'm very, very happy to be a part of this community and having been able to do a personal one-on-one interview with you today. Uh, Talking about myself, I am basically from Mumbai. I have been through a lot of career changes. I was initially in the science field and then got into interior design. So I was doing a job basically as an interior designer somewhere for a year and a half. But the thing was, it was my first job and things got a little difficult that time during the job. There was a lot of stress, lot of pressure. I went through depression and anxiety issues. So this was something I had since childhood, but never um, got recognized these issues. So after there was a time in office where it was so stressful that I had to leave the job. That's
Oh,
when I was sitting at home and honestly, I'm telling you, since childhood I've been very fond of baking. I love baking. I used to keep baking. I used to watch YouTube videos and start baking. And there were people who had tried my cakes and they always told me that you should start a bakery, but I never heard, because I thought that there should be a difference between a profession and your hobby. Well, this is my profession, so I don't want to obviously make out a profession out of it. That is what, there was something in my mind. And interior design, I had spent a lot of money, so I didn't want to go to another field. So that's when I told myself, no, I can't do this, I can't do this. I left the job. My mom told me, do something that you like. If you like baking, go for that. I said, no, I can't do it, I'll just take a break. And I was just sitting at home, and I remember one day I was just scrolling on Instagram, and there were many bakers that used to come on my feed, obviously, because I used to watch all that. But then I saw your video, and I don't remember what the video said, but it was so inspiring. I instantly connected with you. I remember that time I instantly connected with you, and I felt like, oh no, I have to do this. What is this about? And then there was a free webinar and all. You won't believe, I had gone to. I have basically have a second home, which is in Palghar, so it's like a district village area.
yeah.
I was going in the car, and I joined that session, your free session, from my car, and my
Okay.
Bluetooth was connected, and my entire family was listening to that.
Oh, wow.
And and they were so inspired, honestly. It was nothing related to them, but the way you were talking, they were like, this is nice, this is nice. And within half an hour that session got disconnected because of network.
Okay.
So that's the time when I said, oh no, this is gone, now what to do. So then next day again, I had contacted your team and told them I want to join the session again. And I joined the session again, from Palgar, and there was network, luckily. And my family was also listening to half of the session. And then the later session, I heard and I made notes and everything, and I was so inspired. I just quickly wanted to join in. That's when next moment I told my mom, no, I have to join this. And she told me, I had told you, you go for baking. I said, I know, but this is something different. This feels different. I want to do this. That's when I borrowed money from her for Super Baker. I think 7,000 I had borrowed from her, and I started doing the this session. Am I talking too much?
Yes.
Because this
No,
is
no, no.
something
Just go ahead. I don't
very.
want to interrupt you.
So that's when she paid money for me, and I had started with the 1 month, and it was so different. I had never been in a community like this. It just felt different, posting on Facebook, making this pre-mix, everything. I was enjoying the process because I love baking. So
Wow.
this was something that I got connected with instantly. मुझे interior design की याद तक नहीं आई. I remember, and honestly I had thought कि मैं 1 month करके छोड़ दूंगी, then I'll get back to interior. ये मतलब ऐसा थोड़ा सा mind fresh करने के लिए I'll do. But नहीं, उसके बाद there were people messaging me for projects and everything for interiors, but I said no, I'm into baking right now. And
Wow.
within that 1 month, I remember you had asked us to open a bakery,
Yeah.
do the FSSAI. That's when it felt real.
Mm,
This
mm,
that's when I knew that this course is no joke, and
mm,
this is not just learning, but there is somebody to push you for your business as well. So this is not something that you take it as a joke. So then I felt like, no, this I have to do.
mm,
And I remember I had done the super bakers. I got the certificate. I was so happy. But within, I think during the boot camp only, I had joined Diamond because
Mm,
my mom saw how happy I was during this super baker, and she saw
mm,
like this significant change in me. And I told her that, ma'am teaches this, and I was already undergoing this depression ka treatment that time, so it
mm,
was very difficult for me. But this changed my mind. And it's like baking is a therapy,
yeah.
so you obviously just forget about everything. I started doing. I was very scared because this was never something that I thought, मतलब वो दिमाग में आया कि कौन क्या बोलेगा, इंटीरियर डिजाइनर है, बेकिंग कर रही है, क्या कर रही है. But then you are such a motivation or an inspiration for me because you used to talk, and मैं automatically मेरा दिमाग change हो जाता था कि नहीं बस हो गया, मुझे यही करना है.
Wow.
I For the boot camp,
Hmm.
my mom was also a part of the boot camp.
Oh,
Half session she मतलब heard of what
okay.
you said and she was convinced. मतलब उसके पहले भी I think sessions हुए या कुछ तो हुआ था, तभी she was a part of that, so she knew
Wow.
कि the way you talk, the मतलब you are an inspiration and you are going to change my daughter. She knew. So boot camp के दिन she was in the session, half session, and immediately I explained to her ऐसा ऐसा है, people are paying. Sometimes you feel skeptical because people are
Yes.
paying online, you don't know if this is
Yeah, yeah.
fraud or this is real or what it is.
Mm-hmm.
But अंदर से था कि नहीं ये होगा. मेरे से ज्यादा my mom was मतलब
Wow.
she was like, no, I think you should do this. This woman has some kind of say godly powers with her to talk,
My God.
because the way she talks, you can, that's what she told me. She said,
Mm-hmm.
no, I'll pay the money, you go for it. That's when I directly paid for, the boot camp के दिन ही मतलब मैंने मम्मी ने पेमेंट कर दिया था.
Mm-hmm.
एंड तभी स्टार्ट किया. बहुत डर लगा, बट आई मीन लाइफ जस्ट चेंज्ड आफ्टर दैट.
I
इट्स
know. I
जस्ट
mean, interior designing, and then this is like a hobby kind of thing you are getting in.
yes,
And see, baking was like your passion. You are already doing it, but then you
yes.
joined it over here. Whatever you said about the business kind of thing, right? But then how was your experience in Diamond? Because again, the
That's
interior
what I'm
design
telling. Yeah.
was still there in your
Yes.
mind, right?
Diamond, I think someone who really wants to do this should do. And I'm sure, I think you guys also must have experienced it. Almost 70 to 80% people who are there in Super Bigger must be joining Diamond, because Diamond is different. You get to learn so many things
Yeah.
with like having sessions on a like weekly basis. Like everything you get to learn, you get so many recipes, you get everything written in detail, plus you have
Mm.
such an amazing community. I think October mein I joined, and November mein we had this BBR event. November it was, I
Okay.
guess. November,
Yes,
yeah,
yes,
November
yes.
it was. And
Yes.
my God, that event was again crazy. That changed my mind again. But I was so motivated. I had never been to a corporate event like this. It was amazing. The event was amazing. Within, I think within a month or so, I had paid for the next event as well. So
Yeah.
वो मतलब अभी के लिए इवेंट के लिए भी मैंने पे कर दिया था. लाइक मेरे को फर्क नहीं पड़ता मुझे मिलता है कि नहीं अवार्ड, आई वांट टू बी इन दिस इवेंट.
Oh my God.
एंड
Lovely.
देन डायमंड आई जॉइंड, एंड बीबीआर में आई हैड मेड सो मेनी फ्रेंड्स.
Hmm.
तो वो लोग है, अभी भी है मेरे साथ. देवजानी है, अनगा है, काफी लोग है हु आई चैट विद. So it's very helpful. The community is also helpful. You know how many people are asking for help. Sometimes
Hmm.
you help, sometimes they help you. The app is so very nice. I mean, it's amazingly made. And hats off to you for making such an app. My brother is a IT software engineer, and he works with all this. And I had shown him your app, and he said, this is amazing. The way everything is getting upgraded, the points, the courses, everything.
Hmm.
And he's like, this is nice. Earlier he was not convinced with me doing diamond, because
Yeah.
he said it's a lot of money.
Lot
But
of
then when
money.
I joined, I showed him like, this is not a lot of money, and this is something that I've been looking for.
Hmm.
And why this community is very special, I'll tell you, because it's not just baking.
Hmm.
It's not just somebody coming and teaching you the recipes.
Hmm.
This is somewhere where a person is helping you to grow a business. तो
Mhm.
ये लोग नहीं करते हैं, मतलब जनरली कोर्सेज में क्या होता है, दे टीच यू एंड देन इट्स डन. आई हैड डन previously another baking workshop as well, but that was just a 2 day workshop where she
Mhm.
just taught us baking, gave us the recipe in print and that's all.
Mhm.
बट यहाँ पे एक्सपीरियंस ही अलग है. Everything you get from scratch, from the recipes, from the videos, and then you get the personal counseling जहाँ पे पूरा सेशन होता है, बात होती है.
Mhm.
You teach us new subjects every time. We have the
Mhm.
recordings of all the previous sessions, so कुछ प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है तो उसमें भी हम लोग देख सकते हैं.
Awesome.
मतलब एवरीथिंग इज बिल्ट अमेजिंग. तो डायमंड में इट्स वर्थ इट. दैट्स ऑल
Yeah,
आई एंड
I wanted
एमएमपी सेशंस आल्सो हेल्प मी अ लॉट.
superb. So you use those
इनिश
techniques, you do it every single month.
Yes, I do it.
Amazing.
सो
Thank you.
एमएमपी सेशंस में भी इनिशियली जब भी स्टार्ट किए थे काफ़ी सारे, आई डोंट रिमेम्बर द नेम्स, बट देन तभी वो आई यूज्ड टू डू दोस, सो इट रियली हेल्प्ड.
Wow.
और फिर
Wow.
वो होने के बाद आई यूज्ड टू टॉक टू माय फैमिली आल्सो कि ऐसा ऐसा सिखाया एंड यू शुड आल्सो डू दिस एंड ऑल, एंड they were also very amazed, so that also really helped me.
Superb.
As
Amazing.
compared to what I was before to now, I'm like major change is there in me right
Lovely.
now.
So what is your family thinking about this version of Saloni?
Oh, they love it. They don't want me to go back to interior. They don't want
Oh
me to.
my
They
God,
don't
that
even
has
talk
been
about
the
it.
shift.
Yes, they don't even talk about it. They have forgotten about it because they have seen the change. They have seen how I was when I was working for that company.
Mhm.
The way I was stressed, the way I used to get panic attacks and everything. It
Mhm.
was just very crazy. And now that I have been doing this, मतलब वो लोग भूल गए कि मैं इंटीरियर डिजाइनर हूँ. मतलब वो लोग मुझे यही बोलते हैं कि ठीक है तुझे ये करना चाहिए तेरा बिजनेस बढ़ाने के लिए, या तुझे ऐसा करना चाहिए, या तुझे ये ओनर से बात करना चाहिए. मतलब इट्स ओनली अबाउट बेकिंग इज व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से.
Yeah,
ओनली अबाउट
love.
बेकिंग. दे हैव फॉरगॉटन एवरीथिंग, दे जस्ट वांट मी टू कंटिन्यू विद दिस.
Superb. I mean, see how it started, right? Like the interior designing thing was the main thing for you. Then you started this just as a कि चलो करके देखते हैं,
हाँ,
1 month activity, and now it has completely changed your life, and
changed.
it's so amazing that the entire family is happy. I'm so happy to hear that, Rishi.
Yes,
So what is next? What is next for you? Like maybe 3 years down the line, where do you want to see this business going?
I want आई डोंट नो एक्चुअली. मतलब मैंने इतना दूर का नहीं सोचा, बट देयर इज ऐसा कुछ थोड़ा सा है मेरे दिमाग में कि आई वांट टू ओपन अ बेकरी. बट थोड़ा वो है अभी भी. मतलब आई हैव नॉट बिल्ड दैट थिंग
Hmm.
ऑनेस्टली, बट है
Hmm.
ऐसा मुझे है दिमाग में कि आई वांट टू ओपन अ बेकरी. या फिर मैं इवन इफ आई एम डूइंग इट फ्रॉम होम ऑल्सो, आई नीड लाइक अ पर्सनल स्पेस. दिस इज समथिंग
Hmm.
दैट इज इन माई माइंड. घर
Wow.
से नहीं करना है, मतलब एक जगह लेके करना है. दैट इज ऑल्सो
Hmm.
गोइंग टू बी माई होम. But you understand what I'm saying, like a different
Got it.
space I
Yes.
want to dedicate for my business. So that is something that is there
Like
in
a
my mind.
studio, maybe studio
Yes,
cum
a studio.
bakery kind of a thing. Wow,
Yes,
amazing.
so where I am working, my there are my things, I am paying the rent, I am doing everything, it's just me. And future में obviously I want to hire 2 to 3 more
Yeah,
people, like a staff. एक staff हो ऐसा मेरा goal है अभी. And like to achieve like lot of orders, corporate वगैरह भी मैं start करूँ, probably bakeries में जाके मेरा
mm,
product बिके. तो this is something that is there in my mind.
yeah, yeah. And these are like too many things. This will take up really good, nice time from uh,
Yes.
your life as well. Really awesome. So, so that we have discussed. And what would you say to those women who are still hesitating or thinking, is this for me, or should I do the career change or not? Right? Baking घर से कैसे होगा? Maybe my family is not supportive. So, what would you like to share with them?
मुझे बस उनको ये बोलना है कि जस्ट गो अहेड. मतलब बस कर दो, एक स्टेप आगे लेके बस स्टार्ट कर दो.
Mm,
अ, लगेगा गलत है, नहीं है मेरे लिए, या बट कितनी चीजें तुम लोग ऐसे कर करके रुकते रहोगे.
mm,
फॉर हाउ लॉन्ग आर यू गोइंग टू स्टॉप योर सेल्फ, और just you just have to push yourself ahead and just do it once. एक ट्राई तो करके देखो. उसके बाद जब एक बार गाड़ी चल गई, फिर वो तुमको चलाना आगे दीप्ति मैम इज गोइंग टू टीच यू कि वो चलाना कैसे है. बट यू जस्ट हैव टू स्टार्ट. एक पुश कर दो अपने आप को, शुरू कर दो. एवरीथिंग इज गोइंग टू कम बैक टू प्लेस.
lovely, lovely. And of course, then see, we have to take that decision, only then the family will support, right?
एग्जैक्टली, यस.
कुछ भी नहीं करोगे तो then it is a
हाँ,
tricky thing. So
ट्रू.
not
इनिशियली आपके मन
everybody.
से अगर इतना सा लाइक 1% भी लग रहा है कि मुझे ये करना है, जस्ट गो अहेड. एटलीस्ट
Hmm,
स्टार्ट विद द सुपर बेकर्स. एक बार
hmm,
आप वो करोगे तो वो जैसे आगे जाता जाएगा आपको अच्छा लगेगा, एंड आप में चेंजेस देख के आपकी फैमिली ऑटोमेटिकली आपके इसमें आ जाएगी. जैसे मेरे केस में हुआ कि उन लोग इतना सीरियस नहीं थे जब मैं
hmm.
स्टार्ट कर रही थी, बट जैसे दीप्ति मैम ने बताया कि एफएसएससीआई ये करना है, बेकरी रजिस्टर करवाना, ये सब चीज़ें प्रोफेशनली देख के उन लोग को भी ट्रस्ट आ गया. एंड मैंने एक्चुअली स्टार्टेड रिसीविंग ऑर्डर्स, उनका फेथ और बैठ गया कि नहीं ये हो सकता है करके. सो इनिशियली यू हैव टू टेक अ स्टेप अहेड.
Absolutely, absolutely. And on that note, I would really like to thank your mother for supporting you in this. Because changing career like this, especially I've seen it in Indian families, not very, so many people encourage that, right? But she
Yes, true.
stood by you, and I remember very clearly in BBR also, she enjoyed the event, and you were just a month old in the community, but
Yes,
you came for that event, you came with your mother, and on stage we met. I'm not sure if
yes,
you remember. And
I
she
remember.
spoke,
Yes,
and for the first time, I realized that, okay, you were going through emotional challenges as well, right? Because otherwise, I did not know
yes,
anything about you at that particular point of time. And that one conversation with your mother meant so much to me. Like, it keeps pushing me to give my best to so many such women who are there in India,
yes,
outside India as well. So thank you so much to your mother for meeting me and for sharing that amazing, beautiful experience with me. Really, from the bottom of
yes,
my heart. And thank you, Saloni, for sharing this amazing, amazing story. This is very inspiring. All of you, all who are watching this interview, who are from Mumbai as well, those of you who are from
yeah,
Mumbai, make sure that you order from Saloni. She really makes awesome products. All her decorated cakes, her dry bakes, the presentation and everything. I'll put the link to her a social media handle down below this video, so you can DM her and you can order her from for sure. I'm sure that she will not disappoint you, right? You can look at the energy, right, that is bursting right now. So thank you so much, Saloni. Any last one or two line that you would like to share with the viewers?
I would just want to first say a very big thank you to you, because you are behind this success that I have achieved. And to all of you who are watching it, even if you feel demotivated, don't be, just keep doing what you are doing, and you will reach your goal very soon, like how I have done. This is something that I had not expected, that I would achieve so fast, but ये हो जाता है. So even if you feel low, कभी कभी लगता है नहीं हो पाएगा, just listen to what ma'am is saying and just do it. It's going to happen very fast.
Awesome, super awesome. Thank you so much, Saloni. God bless you.
Thank you so much, ma'am.